not match the dresser.
This
Does
is
Some Gatorade, it's about time.
Thank you, Rachel.
Way to work, Jared. Keep it up. Time to come together. Coming together.
Chairs are going downstairs. Chairs.
Nice work, guys. Getting all evidence.
Jake, let me take those 2 pounds.
Back on.
Let's go in the basement.
Way to work, Jared.
That's it.
That's everything?
Ready for the next trip.
One more trip.
You wish.
Did you have stuff in your car?
You got it.
Yeah, let's go. Is that everything?
You guys bored with this?
That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks for dinner.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, pleasure, Seth. Nice work. Jeff, nice work. Way to work.
All right.
Mary, thanks for bringing your truck. We didn't really need you, but your truck was very useful.
Thanks.
Just kidding.
At
Isn't that
least I
funny,
got a
Rach?
mattress and some umbrellas out of it.
Yeah.
Jared was here.
You're welcome.
Jared, what'd you get out the deal today?
I got a flat screen, beautiful tube TV.
Beautiful.
All right, that was fun.
Are you really entertaining this?
That's right.
That's what Aaron said to me.
Hey,
You could
Gabby.
be more like Jake. I said, all right. She's like, no, just with the camera.
That's pretty funny. You're like, all right, give me a beer. Rachel, she really likes her beers, huh, guys?
Yeah.
Really likes some beers.
Put him down.
Some beer?
Put him down.
Beer?
Just thinking about it.
He normally is like, ah.
I'm going to make something for Dad. He across the street's doing the same thing.
Really? Jackson? Okay, guys, this is what we're going to do.
What?
We're going to start a fire back there where all this cardboard is.
Yeah, but you want to cut down that tree?
Yeah, we're cutting down the other
It's
tree, too.
windy today. Wouldn't the fire go with
Oh, windy? And then we're going to take the tractor and start hauling all this wood back there and throwing it on the fire. Can you guys dig that?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Can we drive the tractor?
Really?
Can I drive the
You
tractor?
can even steer the tractor, yep.
My dad cuts down trees and we burn it.
Alright. That's what we'll do then.
Look, I want to cut it down that giant tree.
And the next time he cuts that next one down, we're going to actually film it. And I want you standing by the tree when it comes down. Maybe you film you catching it?
What?
Catching the tree when it comes
Oh,
down?
yeah, like being behind it and acting like you're catching it.
Yeah, there you go. We'll do that.
You're going to
All
go
right.
smart.
Alright, here he is. Lumberjack extraordinaire. Is that coming or not? There it goes. Nice. Almost in my tractor, isn't it?
Wouldn't that be funny if we did?
Yeah, it'd be really hilarious. Oh, who we got here? Sophie. Hey, what's up? And we got Courtney with some Cheetos, huh? You landed on the rock. Do that again. What are you doing, tough guy? Get over it. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, he's pretty going.
What happened 9 years ago today?
Married.
We got married. We had a wedding. Mommy put on a wedding dress.
And she looked extremely hot in it.
She did look pretty hot. You weren't around to witness that though. You weren't around either.